peeps, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching for. If it's the first time you're coming across my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And as I come out here, guess what I see? A big the old. Very fast people that can see. Yeah, it go at them very fast. Yeah, but they won't attack you. How the way they will attack you is unless you like back them up in a corner and then can't run, then they will fling them tail at you. But they are more harmless. Yes, peeps, so coming from Cayman, Grand Cayman. It's a Caribbean country like Jamaica, but just that the economy is better, you know. The economy is far better than Jamaica. So that's the reason why a lot of us Jamaicans are here. Because you know, our government, you know, set our country where we can work and achieve what we say now, good salary and all of that. It doesn't matter the level of education. Yeah. And some people might beg to differ when I say that. Based on the level of education. Because I see people really educated and jobs there, you know, trust me, they're not getting paid for what they're worth. But anyhow, yeah, so a lot of us Jamaicans here in Cayman, you know. And a lot of people believe that when you are overseas or in another country, you're living, you know, large or anything like that. But we don't live large here. We have to struggle same way if you make money. You pay bills here and still take care of family back home. Yeah, so it's tough same way because especially rent. Rent is way up here, you know. Most of them rooms here you see here, yeah, like where I'm living is a 2 apartment-story building. Yeah, some of it is board because like this is like concrete, but then up top here so it's board. So they use sheetrock to separate them. Yeah, and this front back here is like 3 bathroom. So people upstairs have a shared bathroom. Thank God I don't have a shared bathroom. And if you look, Cayman is very hot. So if you look, everybody have AC or what I call it now, window unit. Yeah. Yeah, we have window units. So around this side, you have my bathroom. This is my bathroom. My bathroom is right here. Yeah, that is my room. My room is right there. And then my bathroom is here. Yeah, my bathroom is here. And look how close the bathroom is. You must know that the bathroom is small. Because look here, see another bathroom here. There's another person at the front there. That's their bathroom. So, and see upstairs. That's how different. That's 1 bedroom and that's 1 bedroom and that's 1 bedroom. Yeah, so I think downstairs bedroom them seem bigger to me than upstairs. Because I've been in one of them already. Yeah, so it's my bathroom. Yeah, my bedroom there. So everybody have to have a window unit. Because it's extremely hot here. Right now I'm outside. And trust me, hot. Put on my shades because I hardly can see. Take on my shades out here. White. Yeah. So we're there, you know, in Grand Cayman. And iguana there, you see iguana, you see me run down a while ago, then iguana there, actually government pay to kill them out because those iguana, them say they not come from Cayman, but apparently they come here probably and like container, like they import dirt and other material like sand and so probably during that time they come in it from other country. Yeah, they escape and come in it and breed up because when them breed a lot of eggs. Yeah, whole heap of eggs. Yeah. So see them over there, so no, the GoPro can't zoom up over there. So when I fly over there, so with the drone, I can see them, whole heap of them over there. Because when the man them catch them, when them over there, so nobody now go over there so for them, because you have to go use a boat to go over there. So if you look, yeah, there's a whole heap of water that I don't know how deep it is still. I don't know if it's deep, but it seems, I assume that it might be deep. I'm not sure. Alright, look, you can look. You look good. You see, you go and swimming across. Let me use my phone for that one. Yeah. You go on and swimming across. You don't swim out of the water. Yeah, and if you look underneath there, the stone. A whole heap of them underneath the stone. Oh, and one Godfather there on top. You look at them underneath so they can swim. They are very, very, very good swimmers. Yeah, they can swim real good. So the one that me run down a while ago, see him there? Him just swim across the water. They are very good swimmers. Yeah. So nobody go over there to hunt them. Nobody goes to hunt them. Yeah. So I fly a drone over there, make me see them. Yeah. Stick and stay. Yes, peeps. Set up the GoPro and wait until it says until it says what, aircraft pitch angle too low. Okay, yes, I'm gonna wait until they pick up all the satellites. So the Safari pick up 8 satellites. That, yeah, I'm trying to pick up to 14. Yeah, I got 9 now. Now wait until they pick up some more. Because with all of that, when I press home and return home without problems. Let's take off now. Yeah. Let's take off. 5, 4. Come on. Yeah. Gonna flag over there. Put it in cinematic mode. And I'll show you the iguana then. Oh, cool. No GPS flag. Okay. Home point, that's updated, yeah. I'll fly low and go right down to them. You see them right under this stone. Breeze a blow hard, so it kinda not so stable. Much grandfather. There's a whole heap of them over there. A lot of them. Look nearer, look nearer, look nearer. Grandfather, look. See? See an honor stone there. So that's their hiding spot. Look there, look on a stone. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. And grandfather up at top. Grandfather. Hey grandfather. Grandfather up at top. See him up there. He might always be a big boss up over there. Up at top. Not 3 and 4. I must have fly back. And look. Yeah, look. Whoa. A whole heap of them. Look. A whole heap of them. There's one over there, sir, and then there bigger ones too. Yeah. Oh, a whole heap of them, man. See, only the baby one down there, so. Look, the baby one down to the water. Whoa. So the beauty about having a drone, because if I never have this drone, I couldn't really see what's happening over there. Let me see what happened over there. Okay. So, you know, one turn. Holy smoke. I'm gonna go that low. And I like, yeah. I'm gonna go that low. Yeah. Drop low now. Yeah, see, look at baby one here. Okay, that's a little baby one there. You know? That's grandfather now. Alright, come on. I'll watch you watching. Grandfather. Breeze a blow hard too. Grandfather. Look at grandpa. Boy. And even in the coconut tree them, I have a whole heap of them in the coconut tree. So the coconut tree they're right behind me there. Sure, coconut tree. So I have to use the coconut tree. Yeah. Even in the coconut tree, because the thing is, you know, they love the sun. They love the sun. And so of course you can go because the breeze a blow hard. And yeah. 43%, see me? See me now, see him. Can't see him from over here, so I can now see him on the drone. Oh, see him there? You just can't see him? Yeah, see him there? The coconut up on it, you know? Oh. Try a little back from it and then go back around the other one, yeah. And go down, see me some supposed to be ground too. See me see them. So you see like a little piece of land over there. Yeah, see me see them. No. None on the ground. Oh, that's one. Yeah, that's like one right there. No. So I look a little bit. One thing with the junior peeps, the junior have no obstacle avoidance or anything like that. First one that I have, the DJI Maverick 2 that I have, but I lost it by what? Flying over the sea. Yeah. I lose connection. Panic and press the button them so it never return. So I guess it fall right into the sea. Yeah. But it's very beautiful over here. Look at it. So beautiful. It's very beautiful. It's like an island by itself, don't it? Yeah, it's like an island all by itself. It's so beautiful over here. Yeah. One thing peeps, you have to know what you do. As I say when I find a drone here. Or else you will, if you make an accident, there is no undoing it. There's no undoing your accident. Yeah. But it's very beautiful, don't it? Look over here, beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah. And see me here now. Show you me. I am all the way over here. Right? See me right there. You can see me right there. See your apartment there. Yeah, see me right there. Yeah. That is me. Hello. Yeah, that is me. Yeah, battery run low because I never charge it. I charge it from when I didn't charge it. Just go down the flank. See? Beautiful, don't it? It is beautiful. So I love the Caribbean, and the Caribbean more beautiful. And trust me, other country I could have them I should have fly drone so. And then at some big city. All of a restriction, I couldn't even fly a drone like this. And enjoy the beauty of your island. Yeah. Look at that. See when you go to the coconut tree? That's crazy. So move a little bit from it. Continue here. That's just in peace. Yeah. Yes, I see full apartment. Let me show you apartment. Full light. So the apartment there. It's a kind of big building, big enough for it. It's a good size. Yeah. So yeah, a good enough size. For one of the biggest apartment in the lane. It's actually a lane that we're living in here. And when when we have a little bit of rainfall or stuff, then the water come up and front and but it never really come to the apartment. Go back round and flood the road and come back to the yard. Yeah. But it's very beautiful, trust me. Very beautiful. Go down low, make you see. And then come back. See? You have to brave enough flying and drone here, trust me. You have to have guts. Because imagine you buy this, spend the money for it, and end up losing it like that. You know? Yeah. Take a picture of our grandfather. Grandfather then. Grandfather. Grandfather. Running. Trust me, this not doing no justice because he's far bigger. Yeah, he's far bigger. Big and ugly. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Let me take it back over now to me. Come back home to Papi. Yeah. Yeah, battery die, low battery. See? Good thing. Can you imagine the battery die over this? Water would that be like? You hear that? The thieves, me take it in just in time. Just in time, see? I say, just in time. Me take it in, low battery. Just in time. Low battery. Let's imagine 18%. It'll return home anyhow if they completely depleted. Yeah. Yeah, this is Gamaric here. Yeah. Give me a good view from the sky. Yes, peeps, so stick and stay. Yes, peeps, so for the phone, a drone footage I'm going to show now. Yeah, apartment, you see. Just like Jamaica, people wash clothes put online. Yeah, some people choose not to use the laundry because they have a laundry not too far from here. I went there yesterday, they wash and dry. But you know, the laundry costs money because you have to use quarters to use the laundry. So yesterday it cost me about nearly $20. 20 CI for wash and dry. Because I use more than 2 machine wash, 2 machine dry. Because I'm going to wash about 2 weeks now. Because sometimes you're so busy working you don't even have the time. Machine we still have machine here, but now we're working landlord to fix it. Anyhow, that's that. Yeah, so as I say, everybody have to have a window unit because Cayman is extremely hot. Yeah, everybody have to have window unit. Yeah, window unit because it's extremely hot here in Cayman. Yeah, because we have less trees and thing, less big trees. Yeah. We got less big trees, and like Jamaica, we have real big trees. Yeah. And this now, peeps, where may I get some merengue because you know what I know if you watch my channel all the time you will see that I love merengue bush because I don't believe in I don't believe in modern medicine, tell you the truth. I just not trust them pharmaceutical companies there with them pill and thing. Cause every time I read when you get pill and you look up the ingredients, you're taking it for one thing and then it can cause a whole heap of different illness to you. Heart failure, liver problem, whole heap of things. So I mean why sense? So I say what good it will do to you. You take one pill for headache, you have a headache and you take it, but yet still it can affect your lungs, it can give you a kidney problem or something. I mean so I say no sir, I can't really trust them pill thing. I never take pill no, but I'm sitting where if I don't have to take it, I don't have to take it. I have a toothache, you know what I do? I ice to put in my mouth. Yeah, put ice in my mouth and crack my teeth and ice water and crack my teeth. I don't like a pill thing, honestly. But alright, so anyhow, this is the merengue tree. A merengue and a wall is a superfood. See? And you see them, yeah, as I say, all but Jamaican live, so you see line, close on the line, underwear and all that, but it's just a Jamaican, all but Jamaican live here. Yeah, so see, this is a merengue. And this is the merengue seed, as you can see. So, what you do, take out the seed. And even the pod here, this can use boiled tea. The bark of the tree can use boiled tea. Everything pan it good. The leaf, you can use the leaf and something there. And steam it like vegetable. You're gonna tear off the bark. Every part of the tree have use. Every part of the tree have use. And you see merengue seed? You cannot take an overdose. See merengue seed there, look. But you can't take an overdose. You know why? Because that's something when it tastes that good. You get me I say? You know taste that it give you a faintish taste. So if you take one of this and like and drink a cup of water, you'll taste like the water sweet. You want to have sugar in the water, definitely tastes sweet by this one. And you can't take it from hungry belly. If you eat merengue seed from hungry belly, trust me, you feel faintish. It is a superfood God created. Yeah, because in enough other country, them use it differently from how we use it. Cook with everything. But I just since I come to Cayman, them in Jamaica, I used to eat the seed and so, but since I come to Cayman and I see it so much, I use it even more. Like if I steam fish, anything I do. Yeah, more time I cook my food, me like everything I do, I use it tonight. Yeah, but you see the merengue seed there? Yeah. And so this have more vitamin in it than any vitamin building, more calcium, more iron than any one of them. You know what I say? Yeah. As me say, it not taste that good, but it's good for you. And I not take vitamin and iron, so I must take merengue. And trust me, give you a faintish taste. Very nice. But good for you. When I say faintish, I mean real faintish. Make me feel real messed up when you take it, when you eat it. But it's good for you. So I pick some of the leaf because I use the leaf and boil tea. I use the leaf to boil tea. Because the leaf give energy. Use the boiled tea, it gives you energy. And already, I just find it difficult to eat the seed because it gives me a feeling. That's why I didn't say you can't take a overdose, because you have a good, extremely good, trust me, tough to eat half a whole pot of this. That's why I say you can't take a overdose. It's hard to eat. It tastes bad. It not taste so nice, but it's good for you. And as I say, you can't take it for hungry belly. Yeah, so I pick some and I leave them so I can put it, because you know when I make tea with bush, you must not use it green. So what I go do? I go pick some, put up, make the quail. Yeah, so I'm gonna GoPro. So the best thing. So one of the best investment make as in buying this. Because it's very tall. Yeah, see? Close up on the line. Yes, peeps, so I get some leaf. See? Look at that thumbnail. Yeah. So I get some leaf now from the merengue. Ouch. Close up my finger and I see. Yeah, so this is the merengue, the superfood. And this is a neem tree. So this is just in the yard, people. And all them people shelter underneath this, as I can see. As I can see, a seat underneath it, people sit down and then shelter underneath it. But guess what? They're not capitalizing on the health benefits of a tree. You get me I say? Because I say this is neem. And this is also good. Yeah. This is a medicinal bush also. Good for a lot of things. This is even better than sorosy. Yeah, but you know, you drink bush like this and I really take it real often. But it's more bitter than sorosy. And most Jamaicans know sorosy. I don't know else, what other word other people call it elsewhere in our world. But we call it neem. And then sorosy, I don't know what I call sorosy, but we just say sorosy as Jamaicans. Or sirosy. Some people from some other country part in Jamaica say sirosy. Yeah, so I'll just pick one. I get more than one leaf then. Wow, meringue tastes them out that way, people say meringue tastes them. I know I can taste the meringue and just one seed I taste. Gosh, and it tastes bad in my mouth. One time you'd find iguana in them tree here. I messed in a tree, but you not find iguana because iguana didn't stay far now because true people hunt them. Yeah, people hunt iguana them. As I say, a $5 for them. So iguana didn't stay far from you, from out of the yard. They don't really come on the back of the yard, but they don't really come in front like here. So otherwise, most time you'd find them in the tree. Yeah. So I have neem and I have meringue. Sometimes I want different things to boil tea. I realize I'm on the bush. And then you can, I like the thing is you go pick off the green, pick it green off of the tree and then use it. You know. I'm not into that. So yeah, this is my yard where I live in a Cayman for now. Yeah. Until I go back to Jamaica. You know, I'm not planning to live at Cayman all the while. Just plan to make some funds and live. Because you know Jamaica is the best country. And all the thing we have. Jamaica is the best country in the world. With what? The worst government. Hopefully soon it will change. Well, some people might say not change. Well, sometimes if things are changed, the people have to change it. And sometimes if you have to bring about a revolution, then you have to do it. You get me? I say, but they need change. Can't stay so. And this now, this is another medicinal thing. And some people call it noni. I guess noni is the right name. And then some way as Jamaican call it dopey soursop. Yeah, I know soursop people call it dopey soursop. So this now, yeah, pick off you like that when it's yellow. And put it down in a bucket or wherever bucket you want and let it drain. Yeah, and then you strain it off. When it drain for a couple of days and it drain, and then you when it drain, you throw it in a buckle and then you take like spoonful of it and so. But you can look it up too. Noni, it's a very good thing too. You see, it's a one coconut tree or so. It's a one coconut, but trust me. And look up coconut tree or so. look funny, but I don't know, cut me now, you know. None of the funny. One the funny, but look like a damage. Yes, babes. Yeah. So, as I said, this is a man old 5777. So if it's the first time you come across the channel, please subscribe and press the like button. Yeah. So I'm trying my best to drop videos more often now. Yeah. Still not get my laptop yet. Cause I say I don't have no money for buying a laptop yet, yeah, man. I don't have that kind of money yet to go spend. Yes, I need it and it's important. But I have to try to bypass by using the other phone and all of that to edit the video. Yeah, but actually that video I think that I think the file them are just too big for the phone. Yeah, that's the reason why them not give so much problem with the process. Yeah, but me re-edit it and thing and it work out with the other phone. Especially the drone footage them, as I say, me know a video in a 4K and that seems like now work out with the phone, so I just change it. Yeah, so babes, this is a small vlog from out of my yard in a Cayman. As a yard man in a Cayman, a Jamaican, whatever you want to say. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Do what you love. Love what you do. Do it to your best ability. Peace out.